Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll cover mile 142 through 117 on I-94 North Dakota. We're in Morton County, which is the 6th most populous county in North Dakota with an estimated 27,471 residents as of the 2010 census. This ranking may have changed though, since the 2018 population estimate indicated a 13% increase, bringing the population up to 31,095. The county was named for Oliver P. Morton, who served as the 14th governor of Indiana during the American Civil War. Morton County was the center of the Dakota Access Pipeline protests in 2016. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Here at mile 135, a scenic view overlooks the Sweet Briar Lake Recreation Area. Exit 134 is used to access Sweet Briar Lake to the north, as well as the small community of Judson just a few miles to the south. At exit 127 is State Highway 31, which leads to the city of New Salem to the south, and the city of Hazen about 25 miles to the north. New Salem has an estimated population of 958 as of 2018, and is the home of Salem Sioux, the world's largest Holstein Cow sculpture. Salem Sioux was built in 1974 for $40,000. The project was sponsored by the New Salem Lions Club in honor of the local dairy farming industry. The artist was Dave Oswald, and the construction was done by Sculpture Manufacturing Company of La Crosse, Wisconsin. The statue stands 38 feet or 12 meters high and 50 feet or 15 meters long. It sits on School Hill just off I-94 and can be viewed for several miles. A road leads up to the base of the statue where one may view the surrounding terrain for a distance of several miles. Exit 123 leads to the city of Almont, that's with a T, 10 miles south of I-94. Almont had an estimated population of 118 as of 2018. We conclude today's video at mile 117. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media. And join us for our next 504 road trip.